So, is MCP bullshit? C, B. So imagine you have a bot, draw here, bot, I'm copying from a draw from my children. And your bot, it might be Llama, your AI, Llama or Claude or one of these ones, wants to talk with tools in order to achieve things. So you ask him, for instance, I want to access my private Git repository. Let me know which was the last commit or something like that. It needs to access GitHub. How can it do it? Okay, it has an API. Or imagine you want to tell him, I want you to write a blog post in my WordPress for me. So I might have here WordPress, but the API is GraphQL. How can it access these different, APIs? Another one I have here on e-commerce. How can I send requests to buy things for me? So there's a problem here, right? We need something in the middle. So we need something here in the middle so that the AI can talk with these different services. This is a problem we've also had the humans. You need to use different services, different APIs, different authentication systems. It would be great if there was a single protocol, a single transport, single way of authenticating with all this. That's what MCP is about, because you add here in the middle the MCP box, adding different MCP servers, one here, one here, one here. And that way you have here the Llama, and it's easier to talk with all these guys because they all share the same protocol. Which protocol? Well, basically MCP is JSON RPC, and there are different ways to transport it. It can be HTTP, and it can also be HTTPO. And that way it works. So next week we'll do something different. We will try to do this minimalistic MCP server in Bash script, and I hope you like it. See you next week.